I worry about the future cause the innocence is being murdered and justice lay buried. To kill a mockingbird is a sin, and yet they do.
There is no medical report submitted to the court about this case. How can you say Mr. Tom Robinson is the one who raped your daughter?
On the day in the evening, while I was coming out with loads of woods, I heard Myla was screaming. As soon as I ran to the house and saw from the window, Tom Robinson was raping her. As soon as he saw me, he left and I rushed to the sheriff immediately.
If so, then why is she bruised only on the right side of her face and not on any other part of her body? Can you please write your name? Only a left-handed person able to leave bruise on the right side of the face.
You may now go.
Mr. Tom, can you please tell us what happened to your left hand?
Oh, this. I was a boy when my left hand got stuck in a cotton gin. Ever since, I couldn't use my left hand.
This is the proof that Mr. Tom is innocent. Myla was abused by her own father, who is a left-handed.
Tom is one of my employees who has been working for 8 years. He's a good man.
Order, order, order. Do not disturb my coat. I always pass through Ever's house on my way to work. On that day, Mayala asked me to come and fix the door. It was fine. Then she asked me to lift a box down from the dresser. While I was grabbing the box, she suddenly hugged me around the waist and forced me to kiss her, telling that she never kissed a grown man. As I was struggling, her father, Mr. Bob, appeared at the window, saw us together. He rushed in, calling Mayala a whore and threatened to kill her while I escaped.
I request everyone here to stop assuming blacks are criminals and give justice by freeing Mr. Tom Robinson.
Considering all the jury's decision, this court declares Tom Robinson guilty.
This is injustice. Everyone here knows that Mrs. Tom is innocent, but still they don't want to accept the truth.
Thomas Robinson, the black who appealed for innocence after being charged for rape, was shot dead after an attempted escape from prison. He was shot 17 times and died due to loss of blood.